Tesla's charging transformation is really likely to break down soon. It will take a few thousand fans to borrow 2 transformation heads from outside and let us help them repair it. This is Tesla's rapid change. This side is the national standard fast charging port. The control panel in the middle changes the S positive and S negative CCC in the national standard fast charging pass to the MCU main controller to have it transfer. The CP signal of our slow charge is fed back to the charger. Later, we found that there is a diode here that has been short-circuited and damaged. Turn on the charging, turn off the control and replace it with a new diode. Recovery charging adapter. Give it a 12-point power supply and test it. Press the button and the light can change from red to green. It took only 10 minutes to repair the 2 adapters. You asked us how much we would charge at this time.